Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI like a pro with a few simple tricks. These tips make it faster, smarter, and more efficient for all kinds of tasks. First trick, master your prompts. Instead of typing vague requests, be specific. For example, write a casual 500-word blog post about productivity hacks for beginners gets way better results than just write a blog post. Next, use templates. You can create standard prompts for tasks you do often, like emails, blog intros, or social media captions. This saves time and keeps your output consistent. Third trick, ask for alternatives. If you want options, just say, give me 3 versions of this email, or write 2 alternative blog titles. Claude AI will generate multiple options so you can pick the best. Fourth, use Claude to learn or explain. You can ask it to break down complex topics, summarize articles, or even teach you coding. This makes Claude AI more than just a writing tool. It's like a smart assistant. Finally, combine these tricks. Use specific prompts, templates, alternatives, and explanations together. You'll get faster, higher quality results, whether you're writing, coding, or brainstorming. And that's it. Using Claude AI like a pro isn't hard. Just be specific, use templates, request alternatives, and leverage explanations. Try these tricks and see how much smarter your workflow becomes.